Ballet, ballet, sleep tonight. Your body needs to rest. Brain is working overtime. Put it to the test. Don't the big close your eyes, let the rhythm flow. Sleep is like everybody know. Memory gets stronger, toxins wash away. Muscles getting fixed up, ready for the day. Immune system fighting, keeping you so strong. Sleep 7 to 9 hours, you can't go wrong. No sleep, no focus, can't learn anything new. Get your rest, feel your best, that's what you gotta do.